Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you two delicious recipes that are made using pretty much the same ingredient. So today's process is two-step. First I'm going to show you the masala powder that's going to go in both the recipes, as well as show you how to serve each of them. Hope you like them. Let's look at the ingredients. Here I have taken some pistachios, some almonds, some pine nuts. You can also use cashews in place of pine nuts, about 4 teaspoons of dry dates powder, some saffron strands, few peppercorns, and about half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. For the thandai, I am going to use some Gulkand and pinch of salt, 2 cups of whole milk, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and you can also make it freshly, but I am just using a powder store-bought. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder and half a cup of sugar. First, I'm going to soak some saffron strands in about 4 to 5 teaspoons of milk. So take a small container like that and just add in some saffron strands. Mix it well and keep it on the side. Let's look at how to make the thandai powder or the masala doodh powder. Start adding all your nuts, so pistachios, almonds, pine nuts, dry dates powder, peppercorns, fennel seeds, and half a cup of sugar. Grind this into a fine powder. Here the powder is ready. Now we are going to strain this grinded powder. So with the help of a strainer, just take all of that powder in and then start sieving. Straining ensures that there are no lumps in our powder. So as you sieve it, you will see that there are these lumps there, and we definitely don't want those in our thandai or the masala doodh. And here is our absolutely fine powder ready. Put the flame to medium high. I'm going to use a wide pan to give enough space to mix, as well as it helps to get a boil faster in the milk. Add the milk and give it a mix. I have reduced the flame to medium at this point. Add in the kesar soaked milk. So just give it a mix and add that in. Stir in between few times to make sure that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. The milk is now hot enough. We are now going to add about 1/4 cup of freshly made powder. So the proportion is 1/4 cup for the 2 cups of whole milk. Add that in and give it a good mix. Keep stirring for 20 to 30 seconds. Within few minutes, you will start to notice that the milk starts to get a boil. Now add in pinch of salt, cardamom powder, and the nutmeg powder. Mix everything well. Cardamom and nutmeg give that nice flavor to the milk. Now switch off the flame. To make the thandai and the masala doodh, I am going to divide the boiled milk into 2. So take a different container and put half of it in that container. Now since thandai is chill, I am going to put this small container in the fridge to cool down. Let's start making the masala doodh. So here I have taken a glass and I'll pour in all that warm milk in this glass. Garnish it with some pistachios and some saffron strands. The masala doodh is ready. It looks absolutely delicious. I have taken out the container from the fridge and the milk is now cold enough. Let's start making the thandai. Since it's served chilled, I'm going to use some ice. So drop in some ice at the bottom of the glass. Now pour in the milk. I'm also going to use some Gulkand. So mix in the Gulkand with some milk. And now add this. Garnish with some pistachios and some raisins. So I'm just gonna put them in the middle like that. The thandai is ready. Enjoy it during the hot weathers. Hope you liked today's recipes, both hot and cold. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.